this is my first English video, so please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Give a like, please. First of all, this video, it's mainly because I want my host family to understand what I'm saying. And it's also good if you want to improve your vocabulary, learn new words and stuff. So today we are in the kitchen. This is the first word because I know a lot of people are confusing about kitchen and chicken. But kitchen é cozinha e chicken é frango ou galinha. So today we're going to make rice. I have all the ingredients here, as you can see. We have the oil, we have the onion. You just need like a half of onion, so it's here. We have garlic. I just got this one to show you, but I have the salt and the garlic here. Look, we have the rice. I always make 2 cups of rice, but you can do more, whatever. And we need a knife. I almost forgot, but it's here. And the most important thing, make sure the first thing you do is boil the water. Like, I use this almond, but whatever. I don't know if you can see. Because when you are making the rice, you need the water to be already boiled, so it would be better, okay? I don't know how to explain this in English, but whatever. The first thing we're gonna do is cut the onion. So I take this part off because we don't use it, so like this, I take this part off. It's like her skin. Let me take it off. I need to cut it because I can't take it off with my hand. But here, it's gonna be like this. And we're gonna cut it. So I do like this, you know, and to the other way, like this.
I'm like a master chef right now, but...
And we're gonna cut it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm cutting. Watch your hands, please, because I already cut my hands like a lot of times doing this. So please watch your hands, your fingers. It's not perfect, but it doesn't need to be. I'm gonna show you. Look, I cut like this because I think it's better because I don't like big pieces of onion on the rice. So I'll go like this. And the onion is done. Okay, so the next step, I cut the garlic, but I already have it cut it and knead it with the salt together. Like this is a pink salt. It's different, but it's like the same thing. So like this, with this thing, I don't know this name, even in Portuguese.
I'm sorry for the
noise, this dog, it's like, oh my gosh, but okay. Okay, I had to close the windows because the dog is like... So, we have this done. It is the salt with the garlic. I'm gonna put it here. And now, I forgot to boil the water, so...
The most important thing
here. This is a cooker, okay? And this is a pot or a pan. So now I just got this another pot because we're gonna make the rice here. To start the rice, you're gonna need the oil. Okay, you're gonna put, I don't know the almond. I just go with my eyes and see if it's good or not. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a little bit, not too much. But like this, you're gonna make sure the oil is in every part of the pan, and you're gonna put it on the cooker. Tá, eu não sei como falar isso em inglês, mas com o fogo mais baixo possível, você coloca o óleo na panela. You are going to put first the onion, like all this onion, we cut it. We're gonna put it in the pan. Smelling so good, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna show you again. It's like this, look. I mix it doing this with the pan. And and the water is boiling, as you can see. So we're gonna wait just a few seconds, and we're gonna put the garlic here with the salt. Just a little bit, because you don't want your rice too salty. Now we can put the garlic. It is 2 cups of rice, so it's like, I go like this. But you can do whatever you want. So now we can put the rice. Oh, just a little bit. So we can put together like the 2 cups. Never forget to mix it, because you don't want to be queimado. Vou colocar na tela porque eu não lembro como fala queimado. Okay, so we're gonna wait some seconds again, and I'll be back. I don't know if it is just me, but I love like the smell of the rice, the onion and the garlic together. I don't know why, but it's so good. Like, I'm gonna remember you again. Subscribe to my channel. Go visit my Instagram. I'm always making fun videos, so go there, check. Link is down below. The water, it's not like totally boiling, so I'm gonna wait some seconds. I turn off the rice here. I just need to wait. If in some case you are, I don't know, American, Canadian, whatever, if you're not Brazilian, here we eat rice and beans every day in every meal. Like, it's the rule. Not a rule, but it's like the common here. It's so easy to do. It takes 10 minutes if you are focused. If you come here one day, you're gonna realize this. I think the water is already boiling, so I'm gonna put here on my rice. But make sure you don't put like here, like higher, because it can just be high, we'll see. So it's like this. This black things, this is the onion and the garlic. So remove all the rice that is here, the walls of the pan, because I don't know why, but just remove it, okay? So it's gonna be like this, and you're gonna put this thing that I forgot the name, but it's almost ready. So now we're gonna wait like, I don't know, 7 minutes or 6 minutes, and I'll go back. It is almost done, like almost all dry, as you can see, but it's always good to check here. Look, water, so it's not done. It's not done yet, but almost. So this is my lunch. I know it's not like so beautiful, but I know the taste is good, and this is my salad. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Go visit my social medias. I'm the laundry, as you can see. So thank you. Ai, clica no sininho pra você receber meus vídeos, tá, amores? So bye, see ya.